Turbine Works, or TTK for short, is a company for the production and overhauling of marine and industrial plant equipment. Turbine Works was established in 1991 as a mixed-ownership daughter company of the metal complex Jugoturbina in Karlovac, under the name Jugoturbina Energetica, and is the legal successor of Jugoturbina. Its production development is based on the Jugoturbina experience, which started production in 1949 of steam turbines for naval ships, pumps, and diesel motors. The production of steam turbines, pumps, and diesel motors is based on tradition and the industrialization of Karlovac immediately after the First World War, when Karlovac was the second city in Croatia in the development of the light industry. The company is today 100% in private ownership. The sole owner is Ivica Mikšić, whose degree is in mechanical engineering, and with experience in the production of plant equipment in Jugoturbina since 1967. The company is located in Karlovac, a city at the intersection of traffic routes between the industrial north and the shipyards on the Adriatic coast. TTK successfully offers its products and services to the very demanding international buyers of marine and industrial equipment, competing against world competitors with its own know-how. Today, the company produces various top-quality marine engine room equipment, such as pumps, sanitary water treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, water ejectors, steam turbines for cargo and ballast pumps drives, vacuum pumps, stripping systems, and seawater heaters. Industrial steam turbines and steam turbine generator sets with power output up to 10 megawatts for small cogeneration power plants on biomass with modern electronic regulation, steam turbines for oil and gas and petrochemical industries, as well as sugar and paper industries, according to international standards. Vertical deep well pumps, pumps suitable for hazard zones in oil refineries and petrochemical plants. Vertical and horizontal, pumps for waterworks, for hydro and thermal power plants, sugar and paper industries. The manufacture of marine equipment is under the supervision of international marine classification societies, such as Bureau Veritas, Det Norske Veritas, Lloyd's Register of Shipping, American Bureau of Shipping, RINA, Russian Maritime Register, and others. Its marine sewage treatment unit is certified with Marine CE mark, which enables sales in all countries of the world. In addition to the production of new equipment and products, the company successfully carries out reverse engineering services and the production of spare parts according to the client's requirements based on samples or client's drawings. TTK is also intensively engaged in overhauls of steam turbines up to 200 megawatts, various pumps and water turbines, for which activities it has the necessary tools, measuring equipment and large special machines in a new service plant to a capacity of 25 tons. The continuous product and services control is the basis for the satisfying customer needs. Control begins at the bidding stage, where the client's requirement and products application are thoroughly analyzed in order to offer exactly the product which the client needs, optimal in terms of quality, price, and delivery time. Upon receiving the order, final detailed calculations and production documentation are made according to implemented ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and other standards, especially taking into account environmental protection and occupational safety in order to fully realize the customer expectations. During production, constant control during all technological operations is performed in terms of materials, dimensions, and final quality by non-destructive controls. After product assembly, all products undergo final functional testing, as for example, testing of pump characteristics on the test station. Special care and control is given to anti-corrosion protection, packing, and the delivery of the product. With each product, the client receives certificates for installed materials, pressure testing, testing results, dynamic balancing, as well as detailed operating and maintenance manuals, spare parts catalogs, and spare parts for the startup and warranty periods. According to the agreement with the client, TTK can perform equipment installations and commissioning, for example, of a steam turbine generator set. At the same time, personnel are educated in the handling and operation of plant equipment, and the client is offered a multi-annual maintenance contract. For its products, TTK guarantees delivery of spare parts and servicing for at least 10 years from the product delivery. From its success with clients, the company can also account to its many innovations and technical improvements, for which it has received numerous awards and recognitions by the Croatian Ministry of Economy, the Croatian Chamber of Commerce, the City and County of Karlovac, and on international exhibitions of innovations. The innovations are a result of the continuous care from all company employees to offer and deliver products which will provide the client with an optimal solution in terms of quality, energy consumption, work characteristics, durability, and maintenance cost. To achieve this, constant employee education is carried out in the fields of new materials control, testing, and the application of new systems for regulation, control, and protection. TTK closely cooperates with domestic and international scientific institutions with respect to continuous improvement of products and services, such as the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Naval Architecture in Zagreb and Rijeka, Karlovac University of Applied Sciences, and Turbo Institute in Ljubljana, Slovenia. TTK continuously provides scholarships to students from mechanical and electrical fields in Zagreb and Rijeka, as well as students in trade high schools in fields of metal machining, installations, and welding, which through practical work in the company, they are being prepared for employment after completing their education. In order to provide new products and services, the company has built 2 new modern production plants in the new industrial zone, Logorište, 6 kilometers away from the Karlovac city center, where machining and the assembly of steam turbines and large pumps is being performed. The company's goal is to remain the best middle-sized Croatian company in the field of mechanical engineering, manufacturing plant equipment by promoting advanced entrepreneurship in the development of new products and services, creating new jobs, making profits for investments into new products, employee training, and the acquisition of new equipment. Our experience, your best guarantee.